MobMan is an exciting new initiative funded by the European Commission through the Erasmus programme. It aims to encourage the development of high-quality transnational work-based learning across Europe. MobMan has produced a mobility management platform. You can now group all relevant information in one place and produce personalised key documents with ease. To help new users, we have designed 4 dynamic series of training tutorials. Tutorial 1, the MobMan platform interface. Tutorial 2, MobMan data tables, command lists and financial management. Tutorial 3, MobMan document generator. Tutorial 4, MobMan report generator. For both generators, there are some preloaded templates and you can also create your own. For each of these tutorials, there is one or more short animated video clip introducing the key information. This is like a presentation by a teacher. When you've watched the video, you can complete interactive learning activities using fictional trainees and host companies. You will get a fun, hands-on experience of the platform. This is like completing an assignment. When you finish your learning activity, you can compare your results with the answers prepared by the MobMan team. This is like getting your work back and checking if you've learnt all you need. If you have any additional questions, you can refer to the FAQ user guide and download an interactive PDF version from the platform or the website. You can also contact the MobMan partners by email via the forum section of the website. This is like asking a trainer questions when you need help. To use the platform, you just need to go to the MobMan website, register, and then download the software. Simple. All individuals and organisations that use the MobMan platform need to set up a clear policy for data protection in line with the requirements of GDPR. Good luck and have fun playing with the MobMan platform.